Now, it's time for, I'm not a one-trick pony. Let's say we want to do a taper on a 30-inch stick. Might be a table leg. And want the taper to be 30 inches long. And we want it to be 3/4 of an inch to nothing. So what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that our gauge on our jointers are actually correct. And I'm going to set it to 3/8, which is half of 3/4. Now I will take this off just so you can see me making the cut. So the table, infeed table is dropped 3/8 of an inch. And notice that this little ledge here is the same as the infeed table. I wonder why that is. That's for future. And what is this little rebate on the outfeed table? Geez, I wonder. Anyway, that's in another one. Let's do a taper, 3/4 to nothing on this, and I'll show you how it's done. Okay, so I got a 3/4 inch mark. I got a 30-inch mark. And I got halfway in between. So what we're going to do, we want to taper that. We're going to go to the halfway mark. Now we're going to turn it around. There's the 3/4 inch mark. There's the 30-inch mark. Tapering on a jointer.